How to post a story on TikTok. Welcome to our new tutorial on our channel. Today, I will show you how to post a story on TikTok in 2 ways. Let's get straight to the process. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Press the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Click on Upload to add a photo or video. Find and select the photo or video you want to post. Zoom in or out on the photo or video as needed. When finished, click Select in the top right corner. Then, press the Next button. Click on your story. Your story is now posted. The second way to post a story is: press the plus button next to your profile picture. Select the photo or video you want to post. Adjust the size of the photo or video. Press the Your Story button at the bottom of the screen. Your story will be posted shortly. That's all for this tutorial. Check out other tutorials on the channel and follow for more digital tips.